A lightweight, airline-friendly mobility scooter that folds into a car boot and gives older adults more independence is often exactly what families are looking for. Why this scooter stands out: designed for older adults who want to stay active while reducing fall risk on longer walks or outings. Lightweight, foldable frame that is easy to lift into a car boot, ideal for carers and family members who assist with transport. Detachable battery system, so the scooter is easier to handle and can be charged conveniently indoors. All-terrain capable wheels and stable design to handle footpaths, shopping centers, and outdoor surfaces with confidence. Benefits for aged care and family support: safe community access for aged care residents, reducing isolation and encouraging gentle physical activity such as short walks combined with scooter use. Gives carers peace of mind by providing a stable, powered option when fatigue, arthritis, balance problems, or cardiopulmonary conditions limit walking distance. Folds quickly for transport to appointments, shopping trips, or family outings, making it practical for both home and residential care environments. Practical features: older adults appreciate simple, intuitive controls that are easy to learn, even for users with mild cognitive or visual limitations. Comfortable seating and supportive armrests to reduce pressure and improve posture during longer trips. Reliable braking and speed control to allow slow, controlled movement in crowded or indoor spaces. When to consider this scooter an older adult is avoiding outings due to fear of falls or exhaustion. Walking frames or canes are no longer enough for longer distances, but a power wheelchair feels too large or clinical. Families and facilities want a portable mobility solution that can be packed into a car and shared between locations. Click through to learn more. If you are looking for a compact, easy-to-transport mobility scooter that can meaningfully improve independence and quality of life for an older adult in your care, this model is an excellent option to consider. Click here to view specifications, pricing, and customer reviews on Amazon, and decide whether this mobility scooter is the right fit for your loved one or aged care setting. As an Amazon associate, Medical Collective earns from qualifying purchases. This affiliate disclosure applies to all Amazon links on this site. Purchases made through these links may generate a commission at no extra cost to you, helping support our content on aged care and mobility solutions.